Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I hope that you have seen my previous videos. So now from this video we'll start with some advanced editing. So we are exploring the background options now from my previous video. So let's get started. So in this one you can go to the background option and you can toggle around the various background options which are available, and also over here I am trying to zoom in and zoom out of this frame, and I am trying to see if we can even like make this frame shorter with various background which is available in this InShot application. And the first option is the gradient, and the second option is the various patterns which you can select. So I have selected the gradient one, and if you notice that in the next parts of the video I have just used this portion in a particular part of my video. And if you see from here, uh, see in this clip it's only for a short while, like you can split and you can put this background, and then in the later part which is here, so now you can see that the screen is full. So you can do these things as well with the background. And okay, I have again split over here, and you can see that I am reducing the timeline as well, and like I have shortened this clip. So with these arrows left and right you can do that. And next is the speed option. So in speed you can uh, increase or decrease the speed. So over here I will make it into a slow motion, and I have reduced it. So now you can see that the speed is lessened and it's in a more slower motion now. So now it looks more better. And so this is my next clip. So we'll move to the next options over here. And I was just trying to show you what all we can do with this. So now with this rotate option, you can even rotate your clip, and in clockwise or anti-clockwise direction based on whatever you want to play around. So I've used this rotate option over here. Okay, so now we'll do something else with this. So now I have split it again, and that's why I had told you in my previous videos that the split option is very useful. So you can apply your changes to a particular clip by splitting it. And whenever you are making any changes you can always play and you can see whether you have your desired editing in place. So now there is an option of flip as well. So if you flip you will just see that it's coming in the right direction or the left direction. So it flips actually instead of rotate. Rotate can move in 4 directions, and flip will only move it in either left direction or right direction, like a mirror image it will create. So you, again I have split this and I am putting these into place. Okay, so we'll do something else now. So here I have come to the starting of this video again. So these options which I am sharing, these are some of the advanced editing. And okay, now I am again going to one of the sticker, and this time I will usually for YouTubers we will put a like, share or subscribe sticker or a GIF at the end of our videos. So I really found one good sticker, and I'll show you. It looks so good with the animation in place. So in the search bar you can just put subscribe, and you will get various options of subscribe animations over here, and whichever one you select, it will come in your video above. So I have selected this particular one and it came above. So now see, this is at the end of the clip, right? But usually this will not work like this. So this GIF, you have to place it inside your video. So I am just placing it inside my video, and then you can play and you can check now. So it works fine for me. I want to keep it for a more longer duration, so I am just increasing that particular time, and I am also increasing the size of the sticker or the GIF. So if you increase the size, it looks even more better. You can try it now and play and check. So this looks awesome. Okay, so now we'll do something else with this. We'll explore some other options, and this I again sorry, this I again came into the canvas to check whether my aspect ratio is fine or not, and this was fine for me. So now I have tried some animation over here, and this was really a good one actually. You can try these options as I am trying over here with jump zoom. You can see how I am selecting and it's zooming out, and this was really a very good one. So you can try with tremble, and then you can just observe how it changes. So this roll, it's I really liked it, so I have used this roll option for animation, and you can see this entire video gets rolled. And there are also other options, but these options are in InShot Pro, so I'm not using these for now. I have just used the basic roll option for animation. I am just showing you to so that you can explore all these options, and once it's done, you can click on the arrow, on the right arrow, so you can place wherever you want this, and it looks really nice. Okay, so this was done, and you can also increase and decrease for how much, for the length in which you want this animation to be. Okay, so now I'll show you something else over here now. I was just seeing what all options I can show you. So now I am using this crop option. Crop option is also a very good option. Like we also have some video parts wherein we just want to remove the other part and we want to just show one part. So this is applicable in those scenarios, and again for the part of the clip you can select these ratios wherever you want. So this was really nice, and many times in our videos, like we don't want to show a particular part and we want to crop a certain section. So I have done this in just this part of the video. So you can see this white border in the timeline. Okay, and after that this the other clip is there. So I have just done this for one particular clip, and you can increase and decrease with these arrows in your timeline. So these are some of the advanced editing which is very much comfortable in InShot, and I really liked these features in InShot. So let's move on to something else which we can explore now. and over here what I am doing is I've also shown somewhere in this. Okay, so now I'm adding a blank uh, space in this video, like many times we need this blank space to write something or to show some space after our some part of the clips, and so this way you can just add a blank space, and in this blank space you can go to the text option and you can write in this particular space. So this is like a blank frame, and I have just written something over here by using the text option. And again all these text option, canvas option, split delete, all these tutorials are there in my previous videos, so please go and check out those videos in case you want to learn these in detail. So this is fine for me, and yeah, it looks good. And once you are fine with this, you can click on this right arrow. So now this one is the record option over here, and you can record directly with your, you can do voiceovers as well, and till this red is there, that is your recording which you have recorded. So you can play and you can check whether your recording is fine. If you want to record some more, you can bring this white line cursor on the spot where you want to record, and this is again the effects option. So in effects you can again use various types of effects, and so while I am talking now, because I was recording my screen, so this recording which I did you are not able to hear now, but I will put this entire edited video at the end of my video, so from there you can listen to what I have recorded in the starting of the clip. And for this recording also you can increase and decrease the volume as well. You can go in this red recording clip and you can increase the volume. So 100 is the normal volume, but InShot also gives you option to increase the volume to 200, so it's even better. And then finally once you are done with everything, you can go on the upper right hand corner and you can click on save, and these are the resolutions. So the video conversion will start now, and since we have applied so many things, like this video was of 12 to 14 minutes, so that is why it took some time. And now here is the final edited video, so let's check out this. Hello, I'm recording something. Hello, I'm recording something. So guys, if you liked my video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.